Everyone, welcome back to our AutoCAD beginner series. In the last video, we learned how to change units and use the line and circle tools. Today, we're going to level up and explore rectangle, polyline, and erase, plus a couple of extra skills, object snap and zoom pan, that will make your drafting much easier. Part 1, the rectangle tool. Let's start by typing rectangle or by typing REC in the command bar. REC, press enter. It's asking to specify the first corner. Now it's asking to specify the second corner point. For this, we press the second corner, we have a rectangle. You might ask, I want to do a rectangle with a specific dimension. We type REC, enter. We press the first corner. Now we press on dimension in the command bar. It's asking to specify the length. Let's say 200 millimeter. Now it's asking for the width. Let's say 100 millimeter. We press enter. And now we have the rectangle with a specific dimension, 100 by 200. Part 2, the polyline tool. Let's start by typing PL line. P line or PL, enter. Click on the points to create straight lines. Straight lines. You see, we can have straight lines. Polyline helps you create a continuous shape that behaves like a single object. Now we press exit. We have an object that we can edit it like we want. In addition, you can have this lines and arc. Let's type PL, enter. With specific dimensions. Let's start by clicking. I want to go like this, 30 degrees, 600 millimeters. Then I want to go 60 degrees down by 500 millimeters. We press the point. Now I want to go on arc. We go down to the command bar and press arc. And I want to unclose it. Press enter to escape. And now we have a definite shape using a definite object using polyline. Part 3, erase tool. We made a mistake, no problem. Type erase or just E in the command bar, E, and we press enter. And now I can remove any object I want. Or you can do this by selecting the object and press the delete button on your keyboard. Delete. Okay, part 4, object snap. Object snap or OSnap makes it easy to connect lines exactly to the endpoint, midpoint, or center. Turn it on by pressing F3 or going down below the command bar and pressing it. This is it. You press it. These points. Now, when you draw, your cursor will snap perfectly to these points, ensuring accuracy. We have a line. Let's type line. Line. Press L, enter. I want the midpoint. You can see it gives me the midpoint. I want the endpoint of this. Give me an endpoint. This is the OSnap. Now part 5, zoom and pan navigation. Let's draw a rectangle as we said. We type REC, enter. Draw any rectangle. Press exit because we finished drawing it. Now let's start with the navigation. To zoom in, roll your mouse wheel forward and backwards. Forward and backward. On your mouse, go forward and backward. To pan, click on the wheel and hold. See, click and hold. You can pan. You can also type zoom in the command bar and choose object, press enter, like extend. Extend, you see? You see your whole drawing at once. And that's it for today. You now know how to draw rectangles, polylines, and erase objects, plus work smarter with OSnap and navigation with zoom and pan. If you found this helpful, give the video a like and subscribe for more, and check out the previous lesson if you missed it. See you in the next tutorial.